Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve MSINFO32.exe system informations not working with the error message you're getting on your computer when attempting to open up to some informations and it's unable to collect informations. MSINFO32.exe tool is used to diagnose system problems, optimize system performance, troubleshoot system issues, and even generate reports. This information's utility can tell you detailed informations about your computer hardware, software, and system settings. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to start the WMI service. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. And once you open up this run and here at box, and then you need to type this command keyword services.msc. So just type this command keyword services.msc and then click OK. And once you open up this services at services local and on right side, and then we need to find and locate this Windows management instrumentations. So you need to scroll down, and then once you find and locate already this Windows management instrumentations, so all you have to do is to select and right click and then double check if this service is already running, and then click restart. But if not, the service is not running, and then all you have to do is to double click and go to open properties. So since this is already running, and then click restart and wait to complete the restart process. And after that, so same here, and then you need to double click and here at general properties, and then startup type, and then you need to select automatic, and then you need to click apply and then click OK. Alright, and after here at services, and then we need to close. And the other solutions we will do is to reset the WMI service. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And here at search for apps, and then you need to type CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and then tap run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And then once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then next step, so we need to enter this command keyword net space stop space winmgmt, and then we need to use this keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy this command, and then we need to paste in here. So use this keyboard shortcut Ctrl+B to paste this keyboard shortcut, and then press enter. Alright, so once you do this, and the other command keyword that we need to enter, so just type this command keyword winmgmt space / resetrepository, and then use this keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy this command, and then we need to paste in here and then press enter. And the last keyword that we need to enter, so just copy and enter this command keyword net space start space winmgmt. So use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C, and then we need to paste in here Ctrl+B and press enter. Alright, so once you do this three command, the other command keyword that we need to enter, and then copy this command keyword, and then use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. And then next step, so paste in here Ctrl+B and press enter. And the next command keyword that we need to enter again, so copy the second command keyword. Alright, so Ctrl+C, and then we need to paste in here and press enter, and please wait. Alright, so once you do this command keyword, and the next command keyword that we need to enter, so just type this command keyword sfc space /scan now. So slash scan now, that is one word, and press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword sfc space scan now. So this is a command used in Windows to run the system file checker sfc tool, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. And verifications 100% complete. So after here at CMD, then we need to close, and then here at start menu, and then we need to restart our PC. Alright, so click restart only. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix MSINFO32.exe system informations not working. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.